Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only, and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, it was a volatile night on Wednesday with the Australian dollar touching 70 cents and therefore finding further gains expected into today's session. The US Federal Reserve, as widely expected, announced its second 0.75 percentage point interest rate rise in 2 months. The US Central Bank lifted its federal fund rate by 0.75 or 75 base points to a range between 2.25 to 2.5 instead of 100 base points, which some investors had feared. US Fed Chairman Powell said it will likely be appropriate to slow the pace of interest rate increases at some point. So the statement and also Fed Powell did appear somewhat dovish. But that being said, he went on to say, but he signaled that a higher rate hike could come at the Fed's next meeting in September. Viewing the technical pattern, the resistance at 70.05 is contained in the market at present, but I feel once we've cleared that would give further guidance up towards 70.65. From there, I do anticipate profit taking. Do take in mind that we've been rising since around 66.70. So if the market is holding a little bit long, and I feel it is, as in long positions, then we could see a bit of profit taking as we get closer towards this top side of the range, around 70.65, as we did see a heavy candle come through previously. Although Euro did bounce, it hasn't taken out that level as of yet, which is still around 102.7080. In view of the pattern, it is somewhat bullish, and with the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, did slip slightly. Do feel that we will get another test of that top side, but it really depends on how strong the market is on that challenge. I feel there is a potential clearance here, and therefore look up towards the region of 104 figure 30. Dollar yen still somewhat weak as the dollar index did slip slightly. The price action for dollar yen is still looking towards that support area, which is seen around 134.60.90, which isn't too far away. I feel profit taking could come back from here, as previously in this trend we've seen now that emanates back towards early March, is that we could see another test of that top side eventually at 139. So I don't want to get too bearish at the bottom of the range. Sterling, well, it came through to the top side challenge and hit the trend, which I've been waiting for some time at 121.60.70. Now we've hit it. The market is a little bit overbought. A little trend coming through here on the ADX. I feel that if the market does actually get towards 122, then we could see further gains. And that would see the market emanate or lift towards a potential target seen around 124. Having managed to hold above that level of 1,714, gold turned back to the top side and rallied, and now nearly claiming its target of 1,742 to 46. I feel that there is still upside potential due to the technical pattern firming up quite supportive to see a rally, and therefore break above 45. We have to reassess because we could actually be looking up towards this region, which is around 1,800. Very hard to see at this stage in time, but if we see the technicals break and also to the upside, along with the 1,746 resistance, should give us further guidance. And finishing up with oil for the market after rejecting that trend line around 97 has shown further strength in the last 24 hours. Still, there's still much resistance to the top side as we look towards the region of 97.45.65 and then $99 a barrel. Reassess from there. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out the intraday report. And I hope you enjoyed the great start to the new day.